Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all some color with the wig from Divaswigs. And y'all know how I feel about satin bags. Their unit comes in a satin bag as well as a nice box. This is the color, y'all. It is honey blonde highlights, and this has an ombre effect. It also has a two-tone effect. So at the top you have a great deal of vibrant, rich, beautiful color, and then on the bottom there's black. So I really love this look. It reminds me of this natural hair girl that I saw on Pinterest. Her hair is absolutely stunning, and it has some of these colors. My unit has bleach knots. You can opt for that on the website. This is a 13x6 lace frontal. It has two combs on the side, one at the bottom. I just wanted to put it on to see what it was looking like. Y'all, it came with the middle part. But what's so awesome about this unit is once you play around with it, you'll realize that if you part it in a different area, you can kind of get a different look. So this is the color at the top, and again at the bottom it's black, but I'm gonna part it on the side because I love a side part. Although middle parts look good on me, I've now discovered, I love a side part so much better. Now I'm gonna part it on the sides just to show you all how intense this color is and how you can really create that two-tone look and have it more visible if you part even more to the right or left. So I decided to find a happy place where I really enjoyed the color, and also so that I can showcase the black color because my natural hair is black and I wanted to create a really natural look. And after admiring the color a bit more, I decided to take it off and begin customizing. Now, right out of the package, the hair looks great, but I do need to lay it flat, and I also want to tint the lace, and I'm also exploring other tints that I can use on the hair just to give you all some more ideas, but I love the Sally Hansen. So what I've discovered, if you want a melted lace or if you want your unit to look really laid, it's really good to prep the unit prior to putting it on your head. That's the best way to create awesome results. So I like to start by taking out baby hair first, and as you can see, the hairline was pre-plucked and they did a fairly good job, but I wanted to customize it just a bit more to make sure it was to my liking. After doing this process, I'm going to go about adding some Giovanni mousse. Now, the other mousse that I typically use, I ran out of. And I did also order the Blow Pro No Crunch mousse. I've heard great things about that one, but I'm exploring this one, and I actually love the results with this one as well. And I found this one on Amazon. Applying a good mousse to the hair is really going to help to sculpt and mold the hair the way that you like it. I've been asked in the past, if you have a lace frontal, can you actually shift the part? Is that easy? Guys, that's really easy. You can spray water on the hair, but in order to set the hair, you want to use a mousse. This next step, again, is optional. I decided to tweeze the hairline in order to customize it to make it look even more natural. And after completing this process, I went ahead and began to work on my baby hair, which is also another optional step. After completing my baby hairs and then also applying more mousse, I put a satin scarf around the front hairline and then added another scarf in the back to make sure that everything was laying really flat and that the hairline could actually set the way that I desired. After completing this process, I am going to begin to work on curling the hair, and I wanted really loose curls. So in order to achieve this, I used a flat iron rather than the curl wand that I typically use when I want to curl the hair. So I'm just going to do this, let you all watch, and then I'll come back on. I still feel the same, trying to replicate what we seen on TV. As the colors fade, I'm still stuck to the screen. So it seems, hey, don't you know what I mean? Don't you know what I mean? No, know what I mean. Hey, don't you know what I mean? now the unit is looking really great, and it's going to make the installation process look so much better. I went and did my makeup while I was allowing the hair to set, and I do want to show you all that you can use a wig grip, and if you also sew an elastic band, then you don't actually have to secure the unit with adhesive. Now this one is a little lighter than my skin tone. I wish I had gotten a brown one. This one will allow for you to be able to put your unit on and it won't slide or move anywhere, because often when you put the elastic band on, it provides security, but it would be nice to have extra security in making sure that it doesn't slide. But I decided not to go that route. I'm going to use an adhesive, and if you've been following me, you already know I'm going to be using the Got To Be Glue in the yellow bottle. I said yellow. But yeah, so I'm placing the unit on just to show you all that if you lay it before you put it on your head, it's gonna look great. This is the easiest process. So I'm grabbing my Got To Be Glue in the yellow. I'm gonna put that along the entire front perimeter, and then after I've done that, I'm gonna use my blow dryer on the cool setting just to dry it until it gets tacky. When it is tacky, I'm going to begin to move it forward. When moving it forward, try not to rush this process. Try to go in sections. I usually start with my right side first and then the left, and then I proceed to work on the middle, making sure that that's secured and pressing into the lace using a rat tail comb. After this process is complete, I do like to wipe away any of the excess glue, or not glue, Got To Be glue that's on my hairline. I add more mousse, and then I take it a step further, adding jam. If you want that fresh perm look, you just came out of a hairstylist chair, then this jam is really gonna take it to the next level. I really enjoy the shine and just how much sleeker it makes the look come together. I didn't show everywhere that I applied it, but y'all just apply it wherever your heart desires. It looks really, really good. So now I'm gonna grab my face powder and I'm gonna go into the parting just to refine it a bit. Now you don't have to do this, but I decided to do it. I just like the way it looks much better. And y'all, we are finished. I went to change my shirt, and listen to me. This style is killer. You can wear it for any occasion. This color, although it's really bold, it's still classy and chic. That's what I love about it. And I did get mine in length 20, and also I got a density of 180. Look at the back. Like, look at how it falls over the black so nicely. I just love it. It looks really good on any skin tone, and the hair is such great quality. I loved how it moved, how it flowed. And if you wanted to pin this hair back, because you already laid it and it looks really sleek in the front already, you can actually pull it back, pin it up on the sides. You can do a low sleek ponytail, and that's gonna look really good. Everything about it, I'm just really a fan of. You all be sure to check the description box for the link to this unit. Also, leave a comment, subscribe, and like this video. They do have a Mother's Day sale going on. I just noticed that on the website, so you all be sure to check that out. I love y'all. See you all in my next video. Bye, guys.